हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ दीपाली। मैं हूँ आपकी योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर और आज के इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं 10 to 15 मिनट्स ऑफ मॉर्निंग योगा रूटीन, जो कि आप सुबह उठ के आपके बेड के ऊपर कर सकते हो। ये बहुत ही जेंटल और सिंपल योगा स्ट्रेचेस है, तो ये 5 से 10 मिनट में आपके हो जाएंगे एंड यू आर रेडी टू गो टू किक स्टार्ट योर डे। So let's get started. Sit in a comfortable position, keeping your back straight. Roll your shoulders back side and chin up. Gently close your eyes. Deep inhale. Exhale. Take a long deep inhale. And exhale. We are going to start with some yogic breathing. So take your right hand and put it on your chest, left hand put it on your stomach. Now as you inhale, feel your stomach and your chest. Inhale, complete exhale. One more time, inhale, exhale. Prepare yourself for the practice and gently say some affirmation to yourself. This is a brand new day. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Now relax your both hands on your knees. Inhale, lift your neck up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, look down. 3 से 4 बार सेम हमें रिपीट करना है. 4 5. Now right to left. Inhale, look up, right, and exhale, look left. Again for 5 times. Inhale, look right, and exhale, look left. 4 5. Side to side. Inhale, lift your right hand up, lift and gentle stretch to your neck on the right side. You can close your eyes if you want to feel the stretch in your neck and hold for 5 deep breaths. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Relax. Same with the other side. Inhale, take your left hand up and stretch your neck with your hand. Gentle pressure. Hold for 5 breaths. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Relax your neck. Now lift your shoulders up. Inhale up and exhale, relax down. Again one more time. Inhale up, exhale down. Shoulders up, down, up, down. One last time. Up and down. Now rotate your shoulders from front to back. Full movement. Expand your chest and contract your chest while doing your rotation. 5 times. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Last time. And come to the center. Now opposite side. Inhale and anti-clockwise. 4 5. Make sure you're not hunching your back. Keep your back straight. One more time and last time, and relax. Now put your right hand on the floor. Inhale, lift your left hand up and side stretch. Feel the stretch in your obliques, in your sides. Expand your hand. Keep your elbows straight and look front. Now we are going to start the rotation of a hand from this angle. Now inhale and gently move your hand in circular motion. 1, 2, keep your hand straight, feel the rotation, feel the stretch in your shoulders, your arms. One more time, inhale, lift up, stretch and rotate. Come to the center. Now same with the other side. So put your left hand on the ground, inhale, lift your right hand up, stretch that other side, breathe in, breathe out. Now we are going to rotate a hand. 1, 2, keep your hand straight. 3, feel the stretch. 4 and 5. Exit and relax. Now we are going to do side bend. So just keep your both legs straight, keep your back straight. Breathe in and breathe out. Now bend your one leg like this. Now same hand goes in the back, in the line of spine. Now जो लेफ्ट हैंड है उससे हमें नी को ट्विस्ट करते हुए पीछे की तरफ देखना है, कीपिंग योर बैक स्ट्रेट. सो होल्ड अगेन, यहाँ पे फुल स्ट्रेच करते हुए 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Same with the other side. So bend your other leg. Same hand goes back. दूसरे हाथ से नी को पीछे ढकेलना है. Now look back, twist your spine completely and 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Exhale and relax. Next is Janu Shirasana. So fold your one leg and straight your one knee like this. Now we are going to inhale, lift our both hands up. As we exhale, go down forward side. You can take pillow underneath your knee and hold there. 1, feel the stretch again. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale up and relax. Now same with the other side. So one leg straight, bend your one leg. Inhale, lift your both hands up, exhale down, forward bend. Now hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale up and relax. Now for the leg stretching asana, we are going to do Baddha Konasana. So दोनों पैरों के तलवे एक दूसरे से मिला लेने हैं इस तरीके से. Keep your back straight and as you exhale, go forward like this. You can put your hand on the mat, on your bed like this. Feel the stretch in your inner thigh. Be there for a moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up and relax. Now इसी का हम अलग वर्जन करेंगे. So we are going to put a one leg front and other leg close to our pelvic region. Again we are going to lift our both hands and exhale, go forward side and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale up, exhale down. दूसरे पैर के साथ सेम. सो चेंज योर लेग. जो पैर आगे था उसको पीछे रख देंगे. Inhale, lift your both hands up. Exhale, forward and hold here again for 5 breath. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale up and relax. Now sit comfortable. Keep your back straight. Now we are going to end this session by chanting 3 Omkar. So take a long deep inhale. Put your right hand again on your chest, left hand on your stomach. Inhale and exhale. Now as we are inhaling and exhaling, we are chanting Om. So try to feel the vibrations in your chest and in your stomach. Okay, so let's start. Inhale. Relax, gently rub your palms and open your eyes and relax. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope ये वीडियो आपके लिए फ़ायदेमंद रहेगा. You can start your day with this video. This is only 5 to 10 minutes of stretches and you should do it every day in the morning. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.